welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to kind of have a little bit of a different content. So currently I'm driving, as you can see, so if I'm not looking at you the whole time, that is why I am driving. So I haven't filmed recently because right now we're kind of remodeling our house and we have a lot of stuff going on in my filming room, so I haven't been able to like get access to that, so I'm sorry about that, but I will be hopefully posting stuff soon. The stuff that's in there should be gone by like end of week, so I'm hoping that's gone. But currently today is Sunday, August 11th, and I am on my way to go skydiving. So this is something I wanted to do for a really, really long time, and a few of my friends I went to college with, Abby and Andrea, have both decided that they really want to do it too. Andrea's done it before and she said it was amazing, so Abby and I were like, yes, let's go. So what we decided to do is on this random Sunday afternoon in August is we are gonna go jump out of an airplane and go skydiving. And I am so excited. Like, skydiving for me has been one of my dreams to do forever. Like, I've always wanted to go skydiving and jump out of an airplane. Like, I don't know, for me that is just so freaking cool. So I'm finally able to do it. I finally have friends that want to do it with me because I never wanted to do it alone because like, who wants to do it alone? So I thought this would be an awesome experience that not only I want to remember and want to be able to look back on and see, but like I think it would be kind of cool to share. Also, side note, sorry if it's super freaking windy right now. I drive a Jeep and I have my soft top on and it's always super windy in the soft top, so I'm sorry if the sound quality isn't the best, but that is what we're doing. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
Kelsey,
hey.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic. What are you doing today?
Jumping out of an airplane.
First time?
Yes.
Special occasion?
No, just for fun.
High five. Any shout outs before we go?
Yeah, shout outs to Abby for coming with.
What's up, Abby?
Yeah,
Let's have some fun.
But she's over there getting ready.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, girls. Do this. Awesome. Take a walk, Kelsey. Wait for your instructors, girls. Good?
Yeah. Woo!
Almost had it.
Almost had it. We were close.
Awesome, you're alive, girl.
Woo!
How was that?
That was amazing.
Do it again?
Yes, absolutely. Hi friends. So we just finished skydiving. This is Abby. Hi. Sorry it's super bright. We're sitting in my car and I have the top off right now, but it was amazing. What do you think? How awesome was it?
It was amazing, and my experience was even better because my instructor was so hot.
Yeah, he was. My dude didn't really talk to me much, but he was super cool, and it was literally one of the best experiences of my whole life. I definitely plan on doing it again for sure. Don't you?
Yes, like I'm ready to go before the year ends.
Yeah, just go right now. Let's go again.
Get back in line again.
But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you did. Also subscribe. I post videos every Wednesday, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye!